Have you tried drawing a Godzilla expecting something like this and got this? In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw Godzilla using basic shapes. Stay tuned, we are going to start right now. What's going on? My name is Karthik, an art teacher in a school from last couple of years. Welcome to my channel. If you're watching this video for the first time and you want to learn the perfect way to draw entry chart and all other art stuffs, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now so you don't miss anything. First, we will draw a circle for the head, oval for the body and a bigger circle for the hip. Now for the thighs and the legs, we will draw a simple ovals. And for the tail, we will draw a U shape, a bigger U shape. So you will get a tail. Then for the hands, we will draw a simple ovals and also for the arms. Now for the face and the jaw, a basic rectangles. Pause this video for a while and observe how the proportions are there. Draw with the basic shapes. You will be almost done if you get a proper proportions. Then start adding details to it. Erase the basic shapes lightly, then you can start adding details to it. Let me zoom in for you guys so it will be clear for you guys. Yeah, now you can be able to see it. And start adding the eye sockets, eyes. See the jawline how it is, and give the spikes wherever required to the chest part. Now observe how the arms are there. As I said before, erase the basic shapes as you give details to it. Add some spikes to his shoulder. His claws. See to that how you can do it. And the back spike, which are huge for him. You can change whichever shapes you like to, or you can even simplify them. Add a small spikes behind. Add a small spikes in between. Now coming to the thigh part where we drawed an oval, we will start doing on it. Give some details to the foot as the tail overlaps on it. Add some spikes on his thighs also. Now give some details on the tails. You can try your own way to do the spikes on his tail. Oh, I missed another foot. Make another foot for him. I have colored drawing watercolor. I will start with a lighter tone of black color. You can use markers or acrylic paints. First is the light tone which I am done. Then I am giving a little darker tone for the depth for it. I have used 3 tones here. The highlighted ones are the darkest ones. Like this, each part can be given with the details. If you can't draw paint in a brush, you can use a marker to give the clean details for this. Basic shapes like circles, ovals and curves are very important. So you will get a proper proportion without adding any details for stitches. Check out the playlist link in the description below. If you like this video, please do like and share, and don't miss to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys soon.